we've got an S20 Ultra that we gotta fix. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, I think that should be enough. Let's grab her opener and shove that in between there. And it should be slicing that nicely there. So now we'll just continue to heat that up. Come on. There we go. Okay. Come on. Open it up, and there we go. Man, that was a pain. Okay, and now we basically just want to scrape this all, some alcohol there. Probably should have used it before. Whoopsies. Huh. Okay. Just get that there. And put that alcohol. Actually, could probably just scrape this off. Let's try that. Get my little. Get a spudger out. Alright. Here we are. Alright, and now we'd like to clean those camera lenses because they're like, yeah. All these sticks. There, and you basically just dub it. And you should make the camera cleaner again. Get the replacement here. Peel this stickiness off because you can see how long it stayed on. What is this dog? Alright, now we got it. Nice, looks pretty good. Just test to make sure it fits. Oh, that looks nice, dog. That looks nice. Okay. Oh wait, what? So now we've just gotta fit this on. Okay. Let's hit it with the glue. We'll probably clean the lens bit one more time just for safe measures. Make sure that there's anything in there. Clean this one as well. If you guys want a link to this, let me know, because this was like $4 Australian, so pretty good, if you ask me. Alright, grab the glue, here we are, and start gluing. We want to apply a lot of glue, because if we don't, it might not stick, which is quite awful. Speaking from experience. We want to put a bit even on the end here of the plastic as well, just to keep it down. Smells so toxic. Whoa. Okay. Put that bit there. Then you might want to go over it one more time just for safe measures that you got enough on there. Okay. Now that we've done that, want to get any residue that's on like the cameras, then just take that off. Okay, we'll let it there. Clear these cameras one more time just to be 100% sure. And this one over here, of course. Alright, now we just want to close it up. We'll peel this off, because why not? Okay. Basically, we want it to be well everywhere, because if it's not, then that's a pretty big problem. Mine here doesn't fit quite perfectly, so I'm just gonna seal it up the best that I can. Now I'm gonna grab these things, these clamps. You could probably get the same effect from rubber bands as well if you're wondering, so you don't need to pay for these, but I prefer them. Okay, now just clamp it on there. You probably want to get it on an angle just for that corner to be safe, you know. Right, now this one, it's gonna be a little trickier, but nothing we can't do. just fill it up with glue. That tight seal. Okay, back to this side. All the way here. We don't want those cameras exposed one bit to the dust, because they can get damaged from dust. So we'll just go here as well. Everywhere to just seal it up nicely. Of course, you wouldn't have to do this if you got an actual good replacement, but hey, this was like $6, so can't really complain there. Do I recommend it? No, not really, but if you're on a budget and you need to fix your phone, why not? Just a little quick fix, you know? Instead of having to pay $50 for a replacement, just buy it at home. Replace for like $6 seems like a pretty darn good deal to me. Okay, that's it. Now you just want to wait about like 24 hours or just 4 hours for the glue to dry completely. Bye.